Osato, how are you? Where is Osas? He's inside. Call him for me. Tell him brother I want to see him, brother Festus.
Well, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you? It's like you didn't go to school today. What happened?
But what is time? It's 3 o'clock now. I will normally close 2 o'clock.
Oh. I didn't know. Everywhere is so. Not everywhere you're there somehow. I think maybe we are still in the morning. Anyway, see, in this neighborhood, in this community, you are the most trusted boy. That anytime I feel like interacting, I always remember you. You see, there's something I would like you to.
Bros, I know if you go message when you know they give person anything.
Jesus is Lord!
But sometimes I always give you little things.
But she's too stingy.
Hey!
Your hand is like this. Who's that? This brother Stingy.
Oh my God!
What did you just call me? I'm Festus by name. So how come you are calling me brother Stingy?
You don't know your second name is brother Stingy. Because anytime you send person message, it doesn't give the person anything.
You think say they wise? Are a mumu man?
Brother Stingy, good afternoon.
No be una fault.
Brother Stingy.
What?
Bye bye.